Understanding fair value in a fair manner. Have you ever wondered how companies determine the value of their assets? It's all about fair value, a concept that's used in accounting to determine the true worth of an asset. Let's take a look at an example to understand it better. Imagine you have a chocolate bar that you bought for $2. You think it's worth more because it's a popular brand. To determine the fair value, you might look at what similar chocolate bars are selling for in stores. If similar bars are selling for $3, the fair value of your chocolate bar would be $3 because that's what people are willing to pay for it. Similarly, accountants use fair value to determine the worth of a company's assets. They consider factors such as recent sales of similar assets in the area and the condition of the asset to estimate the fair value. By using fair value, companies can show the true worth of their assets on financial statements, giving investors and others a better understanding of their financial position. So, next time you see a company's financial statement, remember that fair value is a crucial concept in accounting that helps companies be transparent and provides a more accurate picture of their financial position. I hope these examples help you grasp the concept of fair value in accounting. Thank you for watching.